Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to add a product into your Shopify store. I'm in the process of building up my store, so I figured I might as well take you along with me to show you some tips and tricks on how you can build your Shopify store because it can be a little overwhelming. So today I'm going to show you how to add products, and what we're going to do is we're going to sign into our Shopify store, and when we do that, we are going to see this left side panel has a list of things. We're going to go down to products, which is the third option. You can click on that. You're going to see these subcategories. We'll talk about those in other videos. You're going to see this page, but for you, it's going to have nothing on it because you're just starting out more than likely. I'm going to pick a product I already have just to show you the breakdown. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to the top right-hand corner where it says add product, and you're going to add product. When you do that, you're going to have a page that looks like this, except it's obviously going to be empty. I want to show the done product because I think that will help like visualize a little bit better. And so you can see that I have my title up in here. I have my description. Then I have some pictures of my product. You can categorize this however you prefer. Sometimes with certain things, it'll automatically populate, or you can go in and pick something else. You can also add variances. So say I offered this journal in different colors, but it's the same as far as the sizing and the amount of pages. I would just simply go in and add another option, or I could go in and add another variant. If I'm going to do that, this is the page that is going to populate, and it's going to give you options. You can do the size, add some images, if the pricing is going to be the same, if you're going to have your inventory, where that's coming from, and if it's a physical product or not. And then you'll just save that and that'll add the variant. So when somebody is visiting that web page for that product, they'll be able to see that you have multiple options for a very similar product. So we go down here, you can see this is my only variant. I only have one. And then we can see our search engine listing, which is our SEO. This is how you are going to see this particular linked page on a search engine platform like Google. You can also go in and edit that. But all of this right in here, the title and the description, is all from here. And then we'll see on the side where it says status, you can see it could be a draft. So if you're not ready to produce it yet, maybe you're waiting on some pictures or you're writing the description, you can just create a little spot and then that holds the place so that you can go back and fill it in. But for right now, I want this to be active. And then you have your publishing, so your sales channel. This is where you're selling this product. So I sell internationally and I also sell in the United States. And then also this is being sold through my online store. Then this will give you like your little insights. So if you have a product that has recently sold, it'll give you that information right there. And then next, we need to take a look at our product organization because I personally feel this is one of the most important things to keep me organized in my stores. And I've owned a couple Shopify stores. So you can enter in the product type, you can enter in the vendor. With the collections, I am making a video after this in order to show you how to build collections in your Shopify store. Now, because we're starting fresh and we don't have any collections, I can't add anything here. If you are doing drop shipping, sometimes with their integrated systems, sometimes collections will already be created and you can just add to that. But you'll have to check out my other video if that's not the case for you. And so for your tags, now tags, I also use those to create my collections, but you can also utilize these. And I would highly recommend utilizing these because they can be your keyword searches. So say you're going into the search menu of a website and I'm looking for like notebooks. If I type notebooks in the search engine up into my Shopify store, I'll be able to see everything that has that tag of notebook. So it's going to give me all the products instead of, just individually going in and checking everything. And so this is used for multiple ways, but a lot of times I personally use it to organize my store and create my collections. And then you have your theme template, which you're going to keep that as your default product. And then once you go up at the top, you can duplicate, you can view this item in your store, you can share it. And then there's also more actions. Depending on the type of apps you have installed, that button might not be there. And so this is how you add products into your Shopify store. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.